good morning, children. I, Sushma Madan, welcoming you all to the home mentoring session of business study. Dear student, in the last video, I have told you what is the financial market, and in this video, we will cover the types of financial markets. There are two types of financial market, money market and capital market. In this video, I will cover the detail of money market. Now, what is money market? Money market is that market where the securities are issued for a shorter period, that is less than 1 year. In this market, securities are issued are without any security, means unsecured security. These are the short-term debts and highly liquid. Highly liquid means can be easily converted in cash within a small period of time. No physical location by conducted over the telephone and इंटरनेट. देयर इज नो फिजिकल मार्केट, कोई आपको दिखने वाली मार्केट नहीं होती इसमें, जैसे आप नॉर्मली मार्केट जाते हो. No market is there, and this market is performed, the function of marketing is performed through the telephone and the internet, and it helps to raise the funds for short term purposes, or if temporary funds are required, say for 1 day or for 2 days, then money market helps to arrange that fund. Now let us discuss the different type of instruments which are issued in the money market. One is treasury bill. These are issued by the RBI, Reserve Bank of India, on behalf of the central government. When the central government need funds, they tell the RBI to issue these bills. So in nutshell, who are the borrower? Government is the borrower of these funds. And who are the supplier? General public is supplier. And what is the rate of the treasury bill? One bill cost 25,000 rupees. If anyone wants to invest the money, they have to invest minimum 25,000 रुपए का एक treasury bill आएगा. And these are not issued at interest. These are issued at discount. Due to that, we call treasury bill as the zero coupon bonds, and they are freely transferable. We can take the example. For example, if one person has purchased 4 treasury bill, he has to invest 1 lakh rupees, and if the government gives a discount of 2,000 rupees, then that person has to give 8,000 less rupees at the time of getting the investment. For example, one bill pay 2,000 discount. If they for 1 lakh rupees they will purchase 4 bills and total discount amount is 8,000. Then the investor will give how much money? 1 lakh minus 8,000, 92,000 to the government, and after the maturity period, government will return 1 lakh rupees to the customer. So this is called discount. Due to that, we call it as zero coupon bonds. Now we come to second type of instrument, that is commercial paper. These are the short-term unsecured promissory note issued by the large company. Large company जिनको पैसा चाहिए होता है, and they issue these bills to the general public. But these can be issued by only the companies which are having good credit worthiness position. So, because nobody will give the money to any company who is not known to general public. And these are issued for a 15 days to 1 year, and these are issued at the fixed rate of interest. Rate of interest is fixed by the company who needs money. Now, third type of instrument is call money. It is a short-term finance repayable on demand. जब भी पैसा आपको चाहिए, उसी टाइम पैसा मिलेगा, और रिटर्न भी within a very small period ये रिटर्न करना पड़ता है. Mostly this fund is issued by one bank to another bank to maintain their cash reserve ratio. I think you have listened about the cash reserve ratio, CRR. RBI की guidelines है कि हर बैंक को इतना कैश अपने पास रखना है. Sometime if bank has the shortage of fund, one bank has the shortage of fund, then they tell other banks to give that fund. as a loan, and so this money is called call money, and they charge the interest on the days for which they have borrowed the fund, and the rate of interest is also called at call rate. Next is certificate of deposits. It is an unsecured instrument issued in bearer form by commercial banks and financial इंस्टीट्यूशन बियरर, जिसके पास वो सर्टिफिकेट है उसकी वो इन्वेस्टमेंट है. वो सर्टिफिकेट इशू कौन करता है? नॉर्मली कमर्शियल बैंक्स और फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन टू द जनरल पब्लिक, एंड फॉर दैट दे पे सम rate of interest to the public, and this is issued from 91 days to 1 year. The last instrument is commercial bill. बेटा you have studied the bill of exchange in class 11th, आपने क्वेश्चंस भी किए थे. This is that bill. Bill of exchange को क्या बोलते हैं? Commercial bill. Now who issues the commercial bill? Seller issues the commercial bill. Who sells the goods on credit, and the buyer accept that bill, and after a fixed period, mostly the period is not more than 3 months. After that period, the buyer pays the money to the seller. So this is called commercial bill. Now we come to the capital market. In this video we will cover the meaning of capital market as well as its nature and feature. What is capital market? अभी हमने करा मनी मार्केट जो कि शॉर्ट टर्म फंड्स के लिए होती है, और कैपिटल मार्केट इज फॉर द लॉन्ग टर्म फंड. कैपिटल मार्केट फिर कैसे कैटेगराइज करती है? इन टू पार्ट्स, प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी मार्केट. इसके टू इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट्स हैं, और टू फॉर्म्स में होती है कैपिटल मार्केट, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड. ऑर्गेनाइज्ड क्या होती है? जो पेपर पे होता है. अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड फॉर एग्जांपल एक बिजनेसमैन ने दूसरे बिजनेसमैन से पैसे ले लिए, कमेटी कल्चर है, दैट विल कम अंडर द अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड कैपिटल मार्केट, एंड दे डील इन लॉन्ग टर्म सिक्योरिटी. दे सेटिस्फाई द लॉन्ग टर्म रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ funds, and they creates dispersion in the business ownership. हेल्प करता है कि किसी और बिजनेस को उन्होंने खरीदना है, बाय करना है. दिस ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन. आपका कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन क्या होता है? व्हेन मनी इज मल्टीप्लाइड, व्हेन मनी इज इन्वेस्टेड फॉर सम प्रोडक्टिव पर्पस एंड दैट गिव्स द इंटरेस्ट, सो इट हेल्प्स इन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन. Creates liquidity. If anyone needs the money, it can be converted in the cash with the help of stock exchange or with the commission brokers. Now, features are almost same than the nature. First, it provides the long-term fund. Its lesser outlay required as the unit value of instrument is low. For example, हम जो कैपिटल मार्केट में इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात करते हैं, तो इन द कैपिटल मार्केट इक्विटी शेयर्स, प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स, डिबेंचर्स इशू करे जाते हैं, तो इनकी जो फेस वैल्यू होती है वो कम होती है. और अगर हम मनी मार्केट इंस्ट्रूमेंट की बात करते हैं तो इनकी फेस वैल्यू इज मोर, एंड ड्यूरेशन इज मोर देन 1 year. लिक्विडिटी इजिली इट कैन बी सोल्ड. सेफ्टी इसकी कम है बिकॉज दीज आर इशूड फॉर द लॉन्गर पीरियड. अगर इक्विटी शेयर्स की बात करते हैं तो इक्विटी शेयर्स आर द परमानेंट सोर्स ऑफ कैपिटल. कंपनी अपने इक्विटी शेयर कभी भी वापस नहीं बाय करती, तो इन केस कंपनी बंद हो जाती है तो देयर इज नो सेफ्टी ऑफ फंड. हायर एक्सपेक्टेड रिटर्न्स, इस पे रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट और डिविडेंड इज more as compared to the short term security. So this was the money market instrument and the meaning of capital market. Thank you very much.